This is Professor Derek Seitz. Weighted average. A weighted average is an average of items where each item has an associated weight. A common example of this is a weighted average for grades, where each item could be an individual assignment grade or a category. All the homeworks, quizzes, tests, final exam, whatever items, their scores for grades would be between 0 and 100, and their weights would represent percents of 100%. Entering them as decimals, as hundredths, they would add to 1 representing the whole. These are the percent parts, 1 being 100%. Notice that the weights are not all the same here. 20% for this score, 35% for this one. The formula to get the weighted average does a sum of products using the Microsoft Excel sum product function. It takes two ranges, the items and the weights. The product part is where each item is multiplied by its weight, getting a product, and all those products of item times weight get added together to get a sum of products. Finally, that sum of products is divided by B7, which in this spreadsheet here is 1. It's the sum of the weights. Technically, the weights do not have to add to 1 for every single weighted average case, but most frequently they do. If you need to use this template and reuse it, then you'll have to keep in mind that your data may be fewer items or more items. You'll have to change this table appropriately, check it with this sum wherever it ends up, and then tweak the formula so the ranges end where they need to end, and the sum of the weights references the correct cell.